Hello, this is going to be your first video for Easter 2026. The site universalsafelist.com has been around for a while. It's owned by some of the people who make this script and sell the script to other people as well, but I don't know how much they make, but their sites usually stay up for years, so would expect this one to be around. Who knows for sure, but their sites are around for a long time, and I don't see them usually closing, so I joined this one and start getting your free traffic. This is one of those sites where you go to promo code. Sometimes they say a voucher, but they did change this one to promo code. Okay, what are they going to be the promo codes here for this universalsafelist.com? They actually have them listed right here. Universal. There's one of them, Universal. Welcome. These two are probably still valid. This one might still be valid, autumn 25. So there's another one. So Universal, right here, welcome, and autumn 25. So do those three, and when I did those three, and then you do have to click 5 times to mail out. So I still got 10,000 credits, and since when you're mailing out, you mail to 200 to 300 people, that you're going to have a lot of credits to mail out to the whole list. Look at emails and email history. I just sent this one a few minutes ago. Yeah, so this one only says 0 because I just sent it a few minutes ago. But you can see you get some traffic with it. Mailing out to about 280 people right now. Okay? You can save new email, and you can save it here. Email subject, email body, target link, and save it. And then once you do that, once you go to saved emails, it's here, and then you just click use and send. And it saves you a lot of time. I'm not going to send another one again here, but because I don't need to. You want to send 2 in the same day. At least, on a site like this, you won't be mailing out every day, so I'd mail out at least 3 or 4 days apart. Certainly don't need to do more than 1 a day. And 1 a day is probably not necessary either. Because if you just use the promo code, you won't have to click a lot. The only clicking you have to do is if you go to send. See, that time I didn't say you have to click 5 because I already clicked 5 today. But sometimes that's when you click the send email. It will sometimes say you must visit 5, and that's where you just go to unread emails. Unread emails, and then you click 5 of these. Okay? So here's your first Easter traffic package here today. One more time, Universal. Check that promo code. Welcome. Check that promo code. And autumn 25 might still work. That was in autumn of 2025, so hopefully it still works. But either way, you get a lot of credits with Universal and Welcome anyway. Sometimes you can check, sometimes on a site like this, you can go and check and click affiliates and look for promotional tools or splash pages. It might have its own section for splash pages, or otherwise click promotional tools to get your affiliate links. And sometimes on the splash page, it may have a spin the wheel, but this one might not have that. Some of them will have a spin the wheel. for even more credit, promo codes, which do give you credits. So there you go. There's another one too right here. So Universal Welcome Autumn 25, and then now you could do this one as well. Once you win, it will typically, there's 500 more credits. If I go back, so it's going to be like 24 to 48 hours and it'll reset. I can't win again for about 24 to 48 hours. It doesn't exactly tell you how long, but wait a couple of days and go back to promo code and get my 500 credits. Yeah, it says you already used it, so I guess I used it before and didn't remember. So yeah, you use that will to get more credits. Again, affiliates, promotional tools, and I think it was the second one here. This is also an affiliate link, and a lot of times I will promote this one because it's more interesting, it's more fun, there's a little fun to it. Spin the wheel, people like that sort of thing. So I use this as an affiliate link. Okay, so you can refer people as well. I don't usually push for sales for the sites with this particular script because they don't pay it for very good commissions unless you upgrade to a big package. But, you know, I'm in the business of helping people get free traffic, so I'm not going to not tell people about the sites. Even if I don't get commissions, who cares? Yeah, I do have to do the right thing, you know, and if I'm saying I'm helping people get free traffic, well, I'm going to give you these sites, whether I get a commission or not. So that's it for this first Easter video. We'll have one more. Make sure you get this free traffic and make sure you subscribe if you haven't yet, because there's always more free traffic to be had. Just check in and you'll get it. Thanks.